Many people view the computer as a magic box of mystery. It can feel intimidating and complex, but the reality is that it's just another tool, designed most of the times to make our lives easier. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our Computer Basics course. This lesson will answer the most fundamental question: what exactly is a personal computer? At its core, a personal computer, or PC, is an electronic device that does four things. It takes in information, it stores information, it follows instructions to change the information, and gives back a result. Whether you are typing a letter or playing a game, the computer is just following that simple cycle, over and over again. But why do we call it personal? Back in the 40s, computers were massive, bulky structures called mainframes. They took up entire rooms and were only used by universities, big corporations, and the military. People that worked there sat in front of terminals, basically just a screen and keyboard connected by long cables to the giant computer located in another room. Then came the microcomputer. These were smaller, more affordable, and designed to lay on a desk. For the first time, a regular person could own a computer for personal use. So the term personal computer, or PC, stuck, and it has been the standard ever since. Today, a typical PC is incredibly versatile. It can perform thousands of different tasks. We use them for simple things like reading the news, watching videos, writing documents, or sending emails, but they're also capable of much more complicated professional work, like editing movies, composing music, or even creating the very applications we use on our computers. Because they do so many things, we give them different names based on their shape and purpose. For example, a computer designed to sit permanently on a desk is called Desktop PC. A powerful desktop PC built specifically for high-end video games is usually called Gaming PC. On the other hand, a desktop PC used to run professional projects like engineering, architecture, or 3D design, it is often called a workstation. There are also computers designed to be portable. The most common type is the laptop, which is designed to sit in your lap. Even the devices we carry in our pockets, such as our smartphones and tablets, are actually very sophisticated and capable types of handheld PCs. In this course, we are going to focus on the desktop PC, whether you want to use it for work or entertainment. In the next videos, we will begin looking at the two fundamental building blocks of a computer: the hardware and software.